So I just got started the process of building a timber frame garden slash woodshed. I posted a short video clip on Instagram, actually the clip you're watching right now, and one of my friends commented that I needed a proper pair of timber frame sawhorses. Now he made this comment because he already has a set, so this video is in response to Glenn's comment on Instagram. So as usual, I created my 3D design in SketchUp and then headed down into the shop. So today we're going to see if we can turn some of these leftover beam cutoffs into a set of nice sturdy timber frame sawhorses. So our offcuts yielded enough parts for 2 sawhorses. There's the 2 sawhorse tops, 4 legs, 4 feet, 2 stretchers, plus some leftover scraps. So here's all our sawhorse parts with the mortises all cut. You see we made one big boo-boo right there. That'll be on the underside of the sawhorse though, so nobody will see it, and I'll just put a little filler block in there. Next step is cutting the tenons. Well, that's satisfying. So something I have on my workbench for holding down material are these Holdfasts. I find them really handy. You just drop them onto your workpiece, give them a tap, they hold it nice and firm, tap on the back releases it. Now they work effectively when you have a thick top. With these timber frame sawhorses, I have a 3.5 inch thick beam. So I thought it would be nice if I could find some really big holdfasts that I could put through holes in the beam in the sawhorse for holding down beams while I work with them in the timber framing shop. So I have to drill some 7/8 inch holes in these beams. The other challenge is my Forstner bits are not long enough to go all the way through on the drill press, these 3.5 inch beams. So I had to buy this little Forstner bit extension. Now this would have been easier to do before I assembled the sawhorse, but let's see if we can get the sawhorse up on the drill press and get these holes drilled. So this little Forstner bit extension is pretty straightforward. It's just a shaft, 3/8 of an inch diameter, which inside diameter, which matches the shaft of the Forstner bit. I found this on Amazon. So we'll clamp this to the Forstner bit and we'll put this in the drill press, and that'll give us enough length to go through these thick beams. Kind of an interesting arrangement here, but I've got this roller stand to hold this sawhorse beam in about the right place. I did mention this would be easier if I'd done it before the fact, right? Should work though. So there you go, with the holes drilled all through, I will use a little chamfering bit on my trim router. Chamfer the top of the holes a little bit. There, so let's assume this is a beam I want to hold fast on the top of the horse. There. I think that'll come in handy.
So if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, or better yet, leave a comment. It was a comment that led me to build these sawhorses. Your comment may inspire the next video. Thanks for watching.